Hi, I'm Mark from Yamaha, and I'm down here at ISE 2026, where we're showcasing some really exciting new products. We've got a whole new range within our commercial installation solutions. So this is building on our current range of commercial install speakers. We now have a range of 2 new DSP products, which are behind me here. We also have 8 new amplifiers. We've got 2 button controllers and a touch panel as well. So we're going to go into a little bit of detail on those briefly. The 2 DSP products, we have one product which can do 16 by 16 Dante, also has USB and flexible I/O, plus GPI as well. The other DSP, the second one, is slightly larger and can do up to 64 by 64 Dante. And all of these have quite advanced DSP capabilities. We have amplifiers with flexible power sharing capabilities, Dante and non-Dante versions, and again with built-in DSP. Digital controllers, so button controllers and touch panels, and advanced software solutions as well. So if you want to come down to the Yamaha stand in Hall 3, or you can check out the website where we mentioned about Provisionaire Design, which is the kind of suite of software that's behind all this, powering all this technology. So come down and see us at ISE 2026.